Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nor Azman and my number metric is 2878843. Now, me and my friend and my teammate want to present about our project, which is Symptom Suggestion GUI. Okay, we have two class. The first class is class node. The object of this of patient is the object in this linked list, and the function link to the other node. And in this class have getter and setter. Okay, next we move to the patient class patient. We have a variable declaration as private, which is IC, name, gender, phone, age, usage, and usage frequency. We also have constructor. The function of the constructor to receive user data into the object, like IC, name, gender, phone, age, and usage frequency. We also have method increment usage frequency. The method is to increment the user's usage frequency. And this class also have getter and setter. And the last method is method to string to display users information like IC, name, age, gender, phone, and usage frequency. Okay, next I want to show the our GUI. Our GUI. Okay, when we run the GUI, we can see the menu of our system. The first one, we have 7 button. The first one is add user. The add user button, the function is to add our patient to the system. When user click the add user button, the user must key in their name, IC number, gender, phone number, and age. And when the user click the button, the system save the user's information. They also can reset their information if they key in the wrong information. Okay, next we have delete user. Uh, this uh, this button is to delete the information of the user. First, they must to enter their IC number before they want delete their information. Alright, next we have update user button. Uh, when the user click update user button, it must key in their same like delete button. They must key in their IC first, and they can update their information such as name, age, gender, and also and the others. Alright, the next display button. They also must key in their IC number before want to display. I'm sorry. Display when the user click display, uh, they show the all information about the user. Alright. And next search user button. When user click the search user button, it uh, it also have to put the user's information to search, enter the IC number to search the user information. They also can reset if they key in the wrong IC number. Alright, the last button is symptom suggestion. The function is to uh, to 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 make sure the patient know what is their disease and suggestion to their symptom. First, they must key in their IC number, and then they must choose the symptom, and the system show the disease and suggestion for their symptom. Alright, that's all for me. I pass to my group member, which is Aliff.
I will continue the presentation. The first, the what we can see is head and user IC is as a static variable. For the method menu, this method is called when patient or consumer click the add menu button is clicked. It was show the new tab. For the update menu button, this method is called when the update menu button is clicked and show the new tab. For this method, patient must input their IC, and after input their IC, the program can found their IC. If found, is update a field with the data and display a successful message. If not found, uh, it display a error message and select the first step again. Okay, for the menu button, it's just uh, this method is called when search menu button is clicked and show the new tab. For delete menu button for this method, is called this call when the patient click the delete button. For the display, this same this method is called when the display all menu button is clicked. Uh, and show the new tab. It enters through a linked list and display information about each user in the text area. Okay. We go to the symptom. This method is called when the symptom menu button is clicked, and he must patient must input their IC number, and if program see found the IC number, so he will give you message success display the success message. If not found, it display an error message and select the first step again. Okay, for the exist menu, this method is called when the exist menu button is clicked. Is the can display a confirmation to exist a program. This method is show you this method is called when the applicant's window is being closed, and this display a confirmation dialog, and if the user confirm to exist, it terminate the program. Okay, I will pass to the next presentation to Aiman.
Hi, my name is Aiman. I'm going to present the rest of the method. For the save, when user click save button, it will read user input and check if all required fields are entered. If all required fields are not entered, it will show a warning message. If all required fields are entered, it will set current as head and check if the IC is already exist in the data. If IC already exists in the data, uh, it will check using the while loop. If IC already exists in data, it will show an information message that IC already exists in the data. If not exists in the data, it will send all user information into the object patient name data. For your information, data is a temporary variable to store the IC name, phone, gender, and age into the patient object, and from the object we send into the linked list as a new node in the new patient variable. Then we check if no data in the first node, it will add the new patient as a first node, as a head. If there is data in the linked list, it will check last place in the linked list and add object after the last place using the while loop. Then it will show a success message. After that, it will exit and reset the input field. If there is any error occur during saving, it will show an error message. Then for reset button, it will reset all field. Same with the cancel button, it will exit and reset all field. For update button, it will, when user click, it will read all input by user and check if all required field are entered. If all required field are not entered, it will show a warning message. If it is entered, it will traverse along the linked list. It will set current as a head and traverse along the linked list using while loop and update the information and check if the IC provided by user same with the IC in the linked list. If same, it will update the information in the node with the new information, new user information. Then it will show a success message. If the IC does not exist in this loop, if the IC does not exist, it will set the current as a next node to traverse along the linked list. Then for the reset button, it will set all field, same with the cancel button. Then for search button, it will check for empty input. If user does not input anything, it will show a warning message to enter the IC. Then stop the code from continue. If user input the IC, it will set the current as a head and search for the node with the given IC number using the while loop. If the IC found in the linked list, it will set the text of the output with the user information. If IC not found, it will show an error message. Then for reset search, it will reset all field, and for the search exit, it will exit and reset all field. Then for delete button, it will check for empty input. If the user does not input anything, it will show a warning message. If user input the IC, it will check if head is null. If head is null, it means there is no data in the linked list, so it will show an error message. If there is data in a linked list, it will traverse the linked list using current and before. Before variable is used to hold the reference to the current node, and then it will find the node to be deleted, to be deleted. After it found the node, it will check if IC to be deleted is not hit. If node to be deleted is not hit, then if it is not hit, it will delete by updating the link from before to the next node after current. If the IC is hit, it will set hit to the current get link. Then it will reset the field, and it will also show an error if IC not found. Then for exit delete, it will exit and reset field. Same with the back to menu button, exit and reset field. But back to menu button in the display all page. Okay, next we go to Aliff.
Okay, I will continue the last part for the group project. Okay, for this method suggestion, patient must input their IC number. After input the IC number, program find the IC number. If found, he will the program display the new tab, and the new tab you can see the 12 checkbox symptom, and patient must click the checkbox have what the symptom have. This is the 12 symptom. We input the project and medicine and suggestion what patient must to do. After patient select the checkbox, symptom checkbox, he will display the generate suggestion in the text area. Okay, this method for the reset all field, and this method for to exist. Lastly, IC key type. This method for adjust the limit to IC number to of IC number to 12 character and prevent the further input. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.